Hi, I'm Honza. Welcome back to the Orchesty tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to work with paginated data using the batch node and also how to stream the source data through the process as individual items. If you'd like to try the example yourself, you can find the instructions on how to download and set up the demo worker in the link below. So let's get started. We'll start by importing the sample topology. Just a reminder, you can find all the sample topologies in the topologies folder of your demo worker. For this tutorial, we'll use the product test bulk sync topology. In this topology, we can already see two new elements. The first one is a cron trigger. It is used for running scheduled processes using a cron tab configuration, optionally with predefined parameters. The next element is a batch. A batch is essentially a connector, but it is designed for paginating data, so it gradually sends requests for all available pages. The output of a batch node can be configured in several ways. It can split each page into individual items and send each item to the queue as a separate message. It can also create messages containing arrays of any size, or send the entire page as one message. Individual items are the most flexible option, but messages containing arrays of items can be more efficient in some cases. The last node is a custom node with a mapper, so we can see how the individual items flow through the process. Before publishing the topology, we'll add breakpoints again, this time 2 of them. Let's stay with triggers for a moment. If we needed an irregular schedule, we could simply add another cron trigger and configure each one for the required time. We can combine any number of different triggers. For example, we could add an event trigger so that a regularly scheduled cron process can also be started by an external event through the API. For this example, we can leave all the triggers in the topology. We just need to remember that every trigger must have its own name. Now we can save and publish the topology. For testing, it doesn't matter which trigger we use to start the process. All triggers provide the same testing options. Our mock server is configured to return 10 pages with 10 products each, so after starting the process, we'll see the first breakpoint fill up with 100 messages. We can inspect the retrieved data one message at a time, or send all of them further through the process at once. We can also see the next breakpoint gradually filling up. We can then check the result of the data transformation as well. And that's it. This is how easy it is to create a stream from paginated data without having to build loops directly in the topology. Remember that all actions used in these tutorials have their code available in our demo worker, where you can inspect it or try modifying it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.